Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making shortbread biscuits. Please follow my social medias, links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 125 grams unsalted butter, softened, 55 g caster sugar, plus extra to finish, 1/8 oat plain flour. The first step is to add your sugar. Secondly, you need to add your butter and mix it together until it looks like this. Next, we need to add the flour. Then mix it again until it looks like this. Squish it all together till it looks like one big dough, like this. Then get some flour on a board and a circle cutter. Then roll it out into a big circle. Then cut them out using the circle cutter. Add a little bit of sugar to each one. Then spread them in like this. Then put them into the oven until golden brown. Here are the final results.